Hi there! This update introduces one big workflow improvement in Smart Support. Until now, most Smart Support commands worked only on the currently opened drawing. That meant you could rename supports, generate tags, populate the reference field, or create a support list only for the supports inside that single drawing. For a large Plant 3D project, this often meant repeating the same operation drawing by drawing. Now, Smart Support can work on the entire Plant 3D project. With just one command, you can process supports across every drawing in the project. For example, you can rename all supports, generate or update tags, populate the reference field, or create a complete support list for the entire project. This saves tremendous amount of time, obviously, and ensures that all drawings remain consistent. Whether your project contains 5 drawings or 100, the workflow is now exactly the same. The second major improvement is the support list configuration. Previously, the number of displayed columns was limited to 6, and configuring the list required considerably more effort. Now, the support list is completely flexible. You can add as many columns as you need, remove unnecessary ones, and reorder them to match your company's workflow. The configuration process has also been greatly simplified, making it much faster and easier to create exactly the list you want. Whether you need a compact fabrication list or a detailed engineering report, the support list can now be customized just a few clicks. I hope you like this update. Thank you for watching and see you until the next one. Bye bye.